Her name is Erin, and she talks.
$10 was just fine. Very serious.
On a brisk springtime evening at a campfire west of Riley is where I met the napper. He was warming up his feet. We took turns staring at the burning logs before us till something overtook him. He began to speak. He said, "Kid, I've made pastime out of watching people napping and knowing that their preform was about to break in half. If you'd saying, I can see that you're frustrated, so let me see your bopper. I'll give you some advice." So I handed him my bopper, which he looked at with derision. Then he bummed a spall for me and eyed it for a while. Sit on his knee and struck it with intention. Said, "If you wanna get it thin, it's gonna take a while. You got to know what's a platform, if it's isolated, how much to abrade it, just how hard to hit. You never count your dance plates while you're napping at the circle. There'll be time enough for counting when the bleeding's done."
Well, now we know.
Well, every napper knows that the way to get it thin is to strike below the center plane. Oh, I can do it in my sleep. Reform could be thinner, symmetrical and straighter. The best that you can hope for is the point you want to keep. When he finished napping, he said he'd go out digging, handed me an arrowhead for me to keep somewhere on the buttes. The napper found some rainbow. From his demonstration, I learned something deep. You gotta know how to hold it, how not to fold it. Flake across the center line, but don't overshoot. Never call a Clovis while you're napping in the circle. There'll be time enough for bragging when you got a flute. You gotta know what's a platform, if it's isolated, how much to abrade it, just how hard to hit. You never count your dance plates while you're napping at the circle. There'll be time enough for counting when the bleeding's done. Woo!
The weight of it
Yes.
on the ground is enough.
That's your leg.
Oh, it broke right in half.
Yeah.
That's not right. Yep. All right, start over.
I'm ready.
Come listen, you fellas, so young and so fine, and seek not your fortune in the dark, dreary mine. It'll form as a habit and seep in your soul till the stream of your blood runs black as the coal. Where it's dark as a dungeon and damp as the dew, where danger is double and pleasures are few, where the rain never falls and the sun never shines. It's dark as a dungeon way down in the mine.
I think you brought.
Yeah, no, this is old stock.
There's an Indian I have known in my day who lived just to labor his whole life away, like a fiend with his dope and a drunkard his wine. A man will have lust for the lure of the mind, where it's dark as a dungeon and damp as the dew, where danger is double and pleasures are few, where the rain never falls and the sun never shines. It's dark as a dungeon way down in the mine. Oh, the midnight, or the morning, or the middle of the day is the same to the miner who labors away, where the demons often come by surprise. One fall of the sea, and you bury alive.
It's thick and ugly. It's not
Where it's
straight.
dark as a dungeon and
Let us see.
places are few, where the rain never falls and the sun never shines. It's dark as a dungeon way down in the mine. I hope when I die and the ages shall roll, my body will blacken and turn into coal. Then I'll look from the door of my heavenly home and pity the miner a dig in my bone, where it's dark as a dungeon and damp as the dew, where danger is double and pleasures are few, where the rain never falls and the sun never shines. It's dark as a dungeon way down